Hello everyone, I welcome you all in our another DSA session where we'll be solving another DSA problem based on array. As previous, we will also go from easy, medium, then hard. Our, our today's problem is search index position. Let's check out. Here it is given a problem statement. We will read. Given a sorted array of distinct integer and a target value, return the index if the target is found. Means we are given an array like this nums equal to this array, and we are given a target value. We have to check that target value in our array, and we have to return the index at which the target value is present. If not, return the index where it would be if it were inserted in order. Means the array is given in a standard ascending order. Let's check out an example to know it carefully. In our first example, it is given that nums is an array 1, 3, 5, and 6, and we are given a target value 5. We have to check the position of 5 in this array. If we found the position of 5 in that array, if we found our target in nums array, then we will simply return our output. uh, Here at zeroth vector 1, it is not matching. At first vector 3, it is not matching. At second vector, we got our value. Then we will simply print our output 2. Let's check another example to get it more clearly. It is given that our target value is 2, but the target value 2 is not present in our array nums. Then we will check at which position the target value is present. For example, 2 is not present in the array given that the elements are maintained in the ascending order. 2 will be in between 3 and 4, and the index of 3 will be shifted one side to shifted to right by 1, and now the 2 will be inserted. The array will be modified and the 2 will be inserted in between 1 and 3, giving the vectors. At zeroth vector it will be 1, at second vector, at first vector it will be, we will get our value 2, at second vector we will get our value 3, at fourth vector we will get, third vector we will get our value 5, and at fourth vector we will get our value 6. Write an You must write an algorithm with O log n run complexity. We will get to know what is time complexity. Time complexity is basically it measures the amount of time an algorithm take to complete based on the input size. For example, for accessing an element by index, we use 0 of 1, which is it is a constant time, as it is directly computing to the memory address. For searching of an element, we use 0 of nth time complexity, which is a linear time, and where n is the size of array. Now we will write our code for the following given question. So here we'll start our code. First, we will initialize two variables, left at the beginning of vector and right at the end of vector. Let's write it. Int left equal to 0, comma, right equal to nums size -1. Now we will start a while loop for our initialized variable. While left is smaller than right, we will write conditions inside it. Here we need to understand something, that we have initialized left vector, right vector. Means for example, we have written the statement for example 1, but what if uh, the element or the target value is not present in our array? Then we have to initialize another variable called mid, for mid equal to left plus right minus left divided by 2 divided by 2. Sorry. Now we will write if statement for our while loop. Nums of mid equal to our target value, then return mid, return mid. Here I have written that compare the our mid value with our target value. If it is equal, if they are equal, then return, simply return mid value. We will write an else statement. Else if nums of mid is smaller than our target value, then return left index. Return left index. Sorry, we have to return left index. Left equal to mid plus 1, else simply return right index. Else simply return right index. Right equal to mid minus 1 minus 1. We have written the statement. We have written our code, but we have to check one condition. What if the target value is given? Means given as 0, then it will be simply out of our array, this array, given array. So we have to simply return 0. Therefore you have to write return left. Now we will run our code and check it is working or not. Okay, so here we got the error on our line number 4. Int left equal to 0 comma right equal to nums dot size minus 1. So here we have to apply full stop. Okay, we will run it again. Yes, the code is accepted for all the 3 conditions. Now we will simply submit our code.